childhood memories welcome. When I was a kid, lived in my grandmother's house, played with my cousin and the neighbors. When I was 5, I went to school, played soccer in the afternoon and came. I flew to the Bogota because I was a one story. I met the house, the Nariño, the World Museum, the bank on the Republic, the rest house on the present children music was on the forest table experience where an interactive with children on different cultures and the place never had. Those one come from the Amazon took several days to travel in the basis when I read every young congratulations my end I wonder what it feels like to travel by plane. Became famous because they saw my in and interview in the national news, in the was in the newspaper, spectator and the time. That I my first experience as I choose my time spent with some school. Thank you very much.